Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Photography. Today I would like to introduce the Samsung T7 Touch Portable SSD. First, let's see what's in the box. That's a Samsung T7 Touch, and as you can see, it's about the size of a credit card. And that's the USB Type-C port, and the main feature, the fingerprint sensor with a blue LED around it. And let's keep it aside for the time being and see what is inside the box. That's the USB Type-C to Type-C cable to pair the device with a smartphone. And we also have a USB Type-C to Type-A cable with which you can attach it to a computer. And at last, the quick start guide. Now let's connect it to an Android smartphone. I have already installed Samsung Portable SSD app from the Play Store. The device has been recognized. You can change the name of the drive if you want. Now let's turn on the security features. First you have to give a password. Now we can set up the fingerprint. So it's just like you set up the fingerprint on a smartphone. So now that's done. Now let's try to connect it again and try to unlock it with fingerprint. Now you can see that it is unlocked. Now let's connect it to a PC. It's a Windows 10 PC. First you have to install the software from the installation file on the drive. Let's try to copy a file into the drive without unlocking it. So it says there is not enough space. Now let's unlock drive using the password. You can also use your fingerprint. After unlocking, you get all these options like firmware update, then settings. You can change the name, password, fingerprint, edit fingerprints, and now let's try to copy the file again. You can see that it's copied. Let's unlock the drive using the fingerprint. That was fast. I've just updated the firmware. For that you have to disable the security features. Now after updating the firmware, you'll have to again set up your password and your fingerprint. You can even set up multiple fingerprints. So that's the Samsung T7 Touch portable SSD. Well, that's it for now. Have a nice day.